You can add your YouTube or Vimeo online events videos to Eventmie Pro. So let's test this feature by creating an online event. So click on Login as Organizer and click on Create Event. There select Category, enter your event name, and you can also add any short URL of your event. Add offline payment instruction, like if in case you need that. You can also add event specific currency in case of multi-currency events. You can enable ratings and hit save. Now add the timings of your event. And hit save. Now let's add tickets. Add a free ticket for now. This is booking limit per customer. Enter any ticket information you want to provide. Select tax, promo code, or anything you want to select and click save. Now finally, on the location tab we will add the online event information. So check the online event checkbox and enter the online location. Like you can either add Zoom meeting secret URL, password, etc. here, or you can add any information that you want to provide to the attendees who purchase this event ticket. So this online location information will be shown on my bookings page. And now in the YouTube embed code input, you need to add the embed URL, and same will be followed for the Vimeo embed code. So once you are done adding, hit save. Now we need to add the thumbnail and poster image for the event. Here you can add any YouTube trailer video URL for the online event. After saving, let's finally publish the event. Now the information that you have added about the YouTube and Vimeo, only customer can see that. So the customer first have to purchase the ticket to attend the online event. So we are purchasing a ticket. Now customer from the my bookings page can see the online event information that you added, and can play the YouTube and Vimeo videos directly from here. Like you can either add YouTube or Vimeo video, both are not compulsory. We hope you found this video informative. In the next video we will be covering how to manage booking cancellations. Thank you. Stay tuned.